How to grow plants from seeds in Bangalore step by step. Growing plants from seeds is a whole lot of fun, and it's also a great experimentation that keeps you going. What you need is good enough quality of seeds, so you can buy organic seeds in any of the nurseries in Bangalore or even online. For this, you will need a container that has good enough drainage. In this container, you will have to fill about 3 parts of soil, 2 parts of coco peat, and 1 part of manure. Fill the container with this potting mix and sow the seeds superficially on the top of this soil. You can fill some water until the water starts draining out from the container. Cover this container up with a cling film or a tissue paper so that it provides some amount of humidity for these seeds to germinate. Make a few holes in this as well so there is some air circulation. Water this regularly and maintain an ideal temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. But be patient. Some seeds germinate in a short period of time, maybe even 2 or 3 days. Some seeds take a longer time to germinate. I hope these tips will help you start with your own little germination experiments at home, and you will be able to grow a lot of different plants. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like more tips on seed germination and other gardening tips as well. Happy gardening!